Hey guys, Charity here. I want to share a 2-minute garden tip with you that I learned the hard way about watering. I'm one of those people that wake up, I check my weather app, and that kind of dictates my day, and I know the order of how my day can go based on the weather. And on Thursday, I checked the weather. It said rain Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So I just assumed Mother Nature would water my garden. And these very sad, dry looking seedlings are proof that it in fact did not rain. On Friday it didn't rain, and I checked the weather and it says, oh, it's 50% all day tomorrow, 70% at 7, it's gonna rain tomorrow, I won't worry about it. Never rained. And then yesterday on Sunday I came out and did my best to take care of everybody because they were looking really sad. And a friend of mine has been known to be standing outside with gray clouds over him in a raincoat watering his garden, and people are like, what are you doing? It's about to rain. But he knows that the weather is very unpredictable and that it still may not cover his space and that they need water. And as you can see from these little plants here, they did not get any water at all, really. I came and watered these earlier today, but you can tell we've got yellowing on the leaves. Quite a few of them have already dried out. Unless it says 100% and you are standing out and it's drizzling like it is today, I highly recommend that when you put your seedlings in and your transplants and these babies that you worked really hard on all year, or you paid good money for, that you water them yourself, regardless of what the weather says, if it looks like it needs it. In the beginning stages, I'm of the belief that it is better for it to be watered and be a little overwatered than for it to shrivel up and die, because the heat in South Louisiana is completely unforgiving. So here we are on Monday, and I'm finally getting some drizzles, which is great, but I'm still not banking on this watering my garden. There have been many times that I've seen massive gray clouds pass me right over and rain in a solid line by my property and not on my property. So if you are not seeing physical rain and 100% chance, and you know, water anyways. Your plants will appreciate you for it.